In StackAI, routing tools allow us to build intelligent workflows that respond to specific inputs and context. In this tutorial, we'll explore two key routing tools: the if-else node, used for simple rule-based decisions, and the AI routing node, which leverages language models to make content-aware decisions. By the end, you'll know when to use each and how to implement them effectively in your workflows. The if-else node is a deterministic tool, meaning it relies on exact predefined conditions to route inputs. When setting it up, you'll define specific criteria: exact matches, for instance billing; contains, doesn't contain for certain words; starts with or ends with phrases. This approach works well for clear, predictable inputs, for instance support ticket categories, and structured text that follows expected formats. An example: in a ticket routing workflow, you might check if a message includes the word refund and send it to the billing team. Though rigid, this method is highly reliable when your inputs are consistent and easy to categorize. The AI routing node takes routing a step further by using a large language model to understand meaning and context. To use it, drag the AI routing node into your workspace. Define conditions in plain language, such as if the message is about technical issues, or if the message is unclear, or if the user is asking for pricing. Unlike the if-else node, AI routing doesn't rely on exact keywords. It analyzes the intent of the input from the user. This makes it ideal for ambiguous or unstructured inputs and scenarios where wording may vary. It brings flexibility and a more human-like understanding to user requests. With the AI routing node, you can create multiple routing paths. For example, if the input contains A, if it's about B, if it requires C, if it's unclear, use this fallback path. Each of these can be connected to a specific downstream action. You can also combine AI routing with other nodes like input or file nodes to build complex, layered workflows that adapt to different user behaviors. This allows your application to handle both straightforward and nuanced cases in a single flow. You may be wondering when to use which. Here's a quick comparison. If it's clear, predictable input, use the if-else node. If it's ambiguous or varied, use the AI routing node. If you need exact control, use the if-else node. If you need flexibility or context, use the AI routing node. And a best practice is to test your inputs and routing logic with real user data. This will help you spot edge cases, troubleshoot routing issues, and fine-tune your logic for better performance. StackAI gives you the tools to build intelligent workflows that respond to real-world input, whether predictable or complex. Use the if-else node when you need precision. Use the AI routing node when context and meaning matter most. By combining both, you'll unlock more dynamic and responsive applications. Thanks for watching, and happy building!